welcome to another video. Today I'm doing an after video on this vintage 1979 Electrolux 504 upright vacuum cleaner. Here's the machine. It's come up quite well. It's got some new parts on it as well, including the tool door flap. It's a bit grimy in there because I've been using the machine, but you know, it's a bit dusty as well because it's been sitting around. But yeah, the machine's come up quite well. It's got a new cable on it now as well, along with a vintage MK plug on here, like that. So let's just drop the cable to get that out of the way. It's all been completely stripped, polished and cleaned. Some areas ain't too bad on it. That's broken, but it's not too much of a big deal. It's got some quite deep scratches in the hood and on the bag housing. There's a mark on it there, but yeah, it generally works alright. Got some marks here. Let's turn it over so we can have a look underneath. There's some wear on the bumper. This is quite scratched up. That won't all come off. We've got the agitator here, which is quite dusty. It's had some use. Got the wheels and the back wheels and the handle release. So we back up. We'll just put that out of the way, that cable, and we'll show you inside. So here's the bag compartment. Again, some more dust there. If you look in there, you can see loads of dust. I did try suck up some oats and stuff with this, so that's what the white dust is. Here, get the bag out, and here's the inside, and it's all pretty clean and stuff in there. So yeah, what we'll do is I'll put you up on a tripod, and we'll show this machine in action. So yeah. Let's see this machine running. So here is the Lux 504. It's all plugged in. And I don't know if you can see it from where you are, but the switch is illuminated. So let's give this machine a quick run. So, as you can see, it runs quite well. It's quite powerful because it's got, I think it's a motor out of a Contour in it, but it runs really well. It performs great as well. There's literally track lines on this carpet, which is very low power now. It's quite warm. But yeah, the machine is great. Let me just unplug it and wrap the cable up. But yeah, it performs really well for its age. It's 41 years old, so yeah, I'm very happy with it. So yeah, there is the Lux 504. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.